Hello, students. Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to support you in your academic journey. In today's video, we will be diving into an essential topic, board exam preparation. As the board exams approach, it's natural to feel a mix of excitement and nervousness. But worry not. We're here to guide you with valuable tips, strategies, and insights that will help you excel in your board exams. So, let's get started. Importance of board exams. Board exams serve as crucial milestones in your academic life. They not only determine your grades but also play a significant role in shaping your future academic and career paths. Scoring well in board exams opens doors to prestigious colleges and scholarships. So, it's essential to approach your preparation with dedication and a well-structured plan. Understanding the exam pattern. First things first, familiarize yourself with the exam pattern. Understand the marking scheme, the division of sections, and the time allotted for each subject. This knowledge will help you allocate your time and efforts accordingly, ensuring you cover all the necessary topics. Creating a realistic study schedule. Time management is key to effective exam preparation. Create a realistic study schedule that accommodates all your subjects and gives sufficient time for revision. Break down the syllabus into manageable chunks and allocate specific time slots for each topic. Stick to your schedule and maintain consistency in your study routine. Organizing study materials. Having well-organized study materials will save you time and reduce stress during preparation. Arrange your textbooks, notes, and reference materials subject-wise. Use color-coded tabs or folders to separate different chapters and topics. This way, you can quickly locate the information you need while studying or revising. Active learning techniques. Engage in active learning techniques rather than passively reading textbooks. Take notes, create mind maps, and summarize concepts in your own words. Practice solving previous year's question papers and sample papers to familiarize yourself with the exam format and identify any knowledge gaps. Seek guidance and support. Don't hesitate to seek guidance and support from teachers, mentors, or online educational communities. They can clarify your doubts, provide valuable insights, and offer study resources that can complement your preparation. Collaborate with classmates for group study sessions or form study groups to share knowledge and enhance understanding. Effective revision strategies. Revision is crucial for reinforcing concepts and retaining information. Dedicate sufficient time for regular revision, focusing on key topics and challenging areas. Create concise revision notes, flashcards, or mnemonics to aid memory recall. Practice solving sample papers and take mock tests to assess your progress and improve time management skills. Self-care and well-being. Amidst the exam pressure, don't forget to prioritize self-care and well-being. Take breaks, exercise regularly, eat nutritious meals, and get sufficient sleep. A healthy body and mind are essential for optimal cognitive functioning and concentration during exams. Conclusion. As we conclude this video, remember that board exams are a culmination of your hard work and dedication throughout the academic year. Stay positive, believe in yourself, and trust your preparation. With the right strategies, consistent effort, and a positive mindset, you are well equipped to excel in your board exams. Best of luck, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep striving for success. Outro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to leave your questions and comments below, and we'll be glad to assist you. Until next time, happy studying.